Well, what's going on, all my fellow investors out there? Isaac's Trade here. Look at that. Mr. El Presidente of El Salvador buys 500 Bitcoin in crypto bloodbath. And you know what? My man's ain't lying. It sure was a bloodbath. Let's see. How many coins are they sitting on? Wow. They repurchased 2,300 altogether. That's actually pretty big right there. But let's jump in and talk about what happened today. And it was all basically pointed towards China, talking about slowdowns and some other stuff over there. They're taking that zero COVID pretty serious over there. They're intensifying it. I guess that's a good word for it. And we're also having the Biden administration warning of potential fallout aimed the winter surge. And what else was it? Oh yeah, oil tumbles as Saudi Arabia cuts prices and China's lockdown intensify. So there was it was just pretty much everything sold off today. If you look at Bitcoin, I kind of called it this morning. I was expecting Bitcoin to come back down and test this 30K. I didn't really, usually I'm off by a couple $100, couple thousand, It is what it is, but it did come down under 30K. It hit the 29,870 or something like that around there. A lot of people are saying that we'll probably sit here and chill out for a minute. I kind of don't see it happening though. I'm not going to sit here and give you guys any false hope. I do think it'll come down and chill out maybe at the 26,000 for a brief moment. We might see a little bit of bounce and come up. CPI day would probably give us a little bit of a bounce, but keep an eye also on the SPY. I mean, what happened today was Vwap. There was a lot of forced liquidation going on. If you don't know about Vwap, Vwap is something that big institution investors use to usually exit a position, and that is basically what happened. We head up here to Vwap, we were not able to break through it, and you can see the forced selling coming in, which is basically the algorithms are selling. We got algo selling, and they're trying to get the hell out pretty much. Again, it did the same thing right here towards the end, coming into power hour, sold off significantly. Tomorrow's probably not going to be any better, but a little bit of hope out there. Like I said, CPI might give us a bounce. Now, I'm still firmly sticking with my 20K on Bitcoin, but I actually think I'm off by about 4, maybe 6K. I kind of do believe Bitcoin might come back down to the 13. Maybe if it's lucky, it'll hold up here at the 16. I'm just not too convinced it will, and I'm still sticking with what I've been saying for the past year. Focus on cash balance, and look for an opportunity to exit some of these bullshit assets and some of these zombie stocks out there. A lot of people are watching Bitcoin right now because they want to see how it's going to act, because they're not too sure what it is yet. It's like a wild animal. They're not too sure what the hell it is. So we'll see how that plays out. But the good thing is, if you just started investing within a year ago, maybe even 2 years ago, you're only in on your investment strategy for at least you still got 3 more years to go, if not another 8 more years to go, depending on what your strategy should be. It shouldn't be a wham bam kind of deal. So hopefully you guys are able here to hold off and be ready for the next run, because if you zoom out and you look at Bitcoin, hell, this is the one. Look at the 1 week one. I mean, it's had these pops. If you would have held back here from 2017 at all-time highs, gave it a little bit of time, guess what? 5 years later, roughly, you would have been back in the ball game and you would have got your money back. It's all about holding and stomaching the volatility and the swings, because it's cryptocurrency. It's volatile as fuck. Don't forget to smash that like and swing by the live stream. I'm out.